It's your boy Just 4000, man. I'm back at it. We on the way back to the crib. It's cold as fuck, man. It's cold as fuck out here. Shit. Got somebody walking by. I don't want to put the light in their face. But it's fucked up out here. Shit, man. Cold as fuck. I'm slipping when I'm walking. Falling and shit. Hey, we ain't built for this shit, man. It's too damn cold. Ain't no snow in the A. This Hotlanta. Oh, Uncle Pat about to fall. Oh shit. Look at that truck trying to make it. That truck ain't gonna make it.
He might make it though. I'm about to say it right there. He might.
That truck ain't gonna make it.
Let's see.
That truck ain't gonna make it. He trying to make it up the hill. Look at him. He trying to make it up the hill. Oh!
He gonna make it.
He gonna make it.
He ain't spinning. Yeah, he gonna make it. Somebody come
He gonna make it.
Hey, he gonna make it. He ain't spinning.
Yeah, nah, he done made it.
But if he wasn't gonna make it, he'd be spinning right now.
Look like it's snowing a little bit. There go the bus I was talking about. Cobb County bus. People out in the street. You got no choice, man. You gotta foot this shit. He got it. He going about his business.
You gotta worry about him, dog. Oh, it's clear up there?
I don't know. You gotta do it at your own risk, man. Got the Hearst out here. Got bodies out here. And we out, man. I'm back at the crib. Whoa.